वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ ने पाकिस्तान और इंडोनेशिया के दरमियान तिजारत के फ़रोग पर जोर दिया है। इंडोनेशिया के सदर के हमरा अहम न्यूज़ कॉन्फ्रेंस में कहा कि दोनों ममालिक में तिजारत का हजम $4.5 अरब है, जिसे बढ़ाना चाहते हैं। उन्होंने यकीन दहानी कराई कि इस सिलसिले में इंडोनेशिया के साथ हर मुमकिन ताउन किया जाएगा।
Discussion have been extremely productive and gratifying, and what we have decided to promote our bilateral trade in the field of medical health, education, vocational training, I think are milestones we have earmarked to achieve. And I want to assure you on my part that I will work with you very closely to achieve all these targets diligently. And as I have earlier mentioned, that our bilateral trade stands at $4.5 billion, but more than 90% represents imports from our brotherly country Indonesia, that is palm oil. We have discussed how to take corrective measures to balance this balance of trade through agri-export from Pakistan, through exports of IT-led initiatives, and of course in many other areas.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।